PV Sindhu, the famous Indian badminton player, started playing in 2009 with 5,000 shuttlecocks to start off with, right? For better practice, she received 200 additional shuttlecocks every year. One fine year, she had accumulated like 7,000 shuttlecocks. Which year is that? We need to find out. Remember one thing, she never throws away any of her shuttlecocks. So we need to remember that. So she just keeps accumulating her shuttlecocks. Let's find out. PV Sindhu, the famous badminton sports person, started playing in the year 2009. She started with 5,000 shuttlecocks. She started her game with 5,000 shuttlecocks in her reserve. Then what happened is every year, so that she could continue practice, she would keep getting 200 additional shuttlecocks every year. So that means she got 200 shuttlecocks in 2010, she got 200 more in 2011. So every year she got 200 more, right? Now there is a time when PV Sindhu has received 7,000 shuttlecocks in total. Remember, she does not throw away any shuttlecock, right? So she has accumulated 7,000 shuttlecocks over the years. Now, can you guess which year is it that she has 7,000 of these shuttlecocks accumulated over the years? Remember, every year she gets 200 shuttlecocks more to her kitty to continue practice, right? So let's find out. Let's approach and see how we can find the answer to this question. So it tells us that the starting term, that is, she started with how many shuttlecocks? She started with 5,000 shuttlecocks. So A, if A is the first term, she is 5,000, right? Our nth term is 7,000, right? The difference between every term, that is D, is 200, because every year she keeps getting 200 more. So if in the first year, if A1 is 5,000, that is in 2009, that is say in 2009, then A2 is 5,200 in 2010, A3 is 5,400 in 2011, and so on and so forth. So what we need to find is N, that is, what are the total number of terms, which we don't know, because the total number of terms means the total number of years. And once we know the total number of years, say it is 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, we can find out we can just add it to the first year, that is 2009 plus say whatever number of years we get, whatever number we get for N, we can just add it. So 2009 plus N will be the final answer, right? So let's try to do that. Our formula to find the nth term is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, right? So I think what we can do is, we know An, which is 7,000. Sorry, this will be 7,000. Yeah. So An, which is 7,000, is equal to 5,000 plus N we don't know, we have to find out, minus 1, D is 200, right? So then what we can do is, let's bring these here. So 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200, or we can say that 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200, or this comes to 2,000 by 200 is equal to N minus 1. right? So this comes to 10 is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So the value of n is 11, right? So therefore, if 2009 was the first year, right, the 11th year is 2019. So she will have 7,000 shuttlecocks in the year 2019.